Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to build a 3-channel LED chaser circuit. This circuit includes a trim potentiometer, allowing you to easily adjust the speed of the LED chasing effect in real time. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update when I upload new videos. All the links are available in the description below. We'll start by placing the LEDs on the board and connecting all their negative terminals to ground. Next, connect 2.2 kilo-ohm resistors in series with the LEDs. One side of each resistor goes to the positive terminal of an LED, and the other side connects to the positive supply. Now take the 1N4007 diodes. Connect the cathodes of 3 diodes together, forming a common point, and connect each anode to the positive terminal of an LED group. After that, place the 3BC547C transistors on the board. Connect pin number 3 of each transistor to ground, and connect pin number 1 to the common cathode point of the diode group. Next, connect additional 2.2 kilo-ohm resistors. One end goes to pin number 1 of each BC547C transistor, and the other end connects to the positive supply. Now we'll add the timing capacitors. Connect a 22 microfarad capacitor with its negative terminal to pin number 2 of the first transistor. Then connect another 22 microfarad capacitor with its negative terminal to pin number 2 of the second transistor, and its positive terminal to pin number 1 of the third transistor. Next, connect the third 22 microfarad capacitor. Its negative terminal goes to pin number 2 of the third transistor, and its positive terminal connects back to pin number 1 of the first transistor. After that, connect 3 10 kilo-ohm resistors to pin number 2 of each BC547C transistor. Now install the 10 kilo-ohm trim potentiometer. Connect one side pin and the center pin to the free ends of the 10 kilo-ohm resistors, and connect the remaining pin to the positive supply. Finally, connect the 1 microfarad capacitor. Its positive terminal goes to pin number 1 of the first transistor, and its negative terminal connects to ground. At this point, the circuit is complete. Now power it up, adjust the trim potentiometer, and you'll see the LEDs chasing smoothly from one channel to the next. And that's it for this project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.